A little too fast. I miss the days that we chill and relax. Where did the time go? It all passed. Now I need to go back. I had no worries, but always had plans. Only thing I did was pick at the trash. Now it's much harder to laugh. Hard to get up and then work on my craft. I need inspiration. Don't need no validation. No more medication. Should try some meditating. I don't need you to save me. Feel like all of you hate me. Everything's been so hard with all the situations lately. I just need to numb the pain for a minute. I just wanna run away on vacation. I don't know what else to say now. I just need to numb the pain. Well, maybe I'm done, maybe I've lost. Still putting up a fight because I love my mom, I love my family. When I was young, they would all look after me. I don't know why, but I feel like a burden. I spent my life overthinking my purpose. Can't really cry, I'm so used to the hurt. Trauma keeps up at me at the wrong moment. Oh, I just wanna numb the pain for a minute. I just wanna run away on vacation. I don't know what else to say now. I just need to numb the pain. To numb the pain for a minute. I just wanna run away on vacation. I don't know what else to say now. I just need to numb the pain.
You used to stop this world from spinning. Like Superman, you were the only one to find the strength in all that I was dealing with. This life like kryptonite. And if you keep me close, every minute in this hour.
Yo chat, what's going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. I hope you guys are good. Just as on the audio, we are going to just check. Yeah, obviously everything's been changed. Sorry we're a little bit late, guys. We were just shooting a pod, one of the ones that will come out again in the future. So we just finished premiering that. Well, not premiering it, shooting it, and now setting everything back up again. So just kind of getting back into old routines. You were saying it felt a bit weird. We haven't set up a podcast since Cape Town, but things feeling good. Just let us know here on the audio chat. How is everything? How's it sounding? You want more volume, less volume? Just give us a heads up there.
Mic check.
A little mic check.
I'm also, is it just my headset?
Audio.
I'm soft. soft.
I think it might be your headset, bro. So then just, I hear you fine. So just check your
headset. My level compared to you. Give me, wait, 1, 2. Oh, chat.
Oh,
whoa,
there we go.
Baby.
There you go. You can hear that bull nice and clear now. Sounding immaculate, guys.
That drop is immaculate. 1 2 1 2 1 2.
But that's better. Hey, there we go, guys. But as you said, so welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. You got both the 2Gs. Guys, you have had a mouthful of the 2Gs this week. It has been a bit rough. Chris, I don't know where you're going with your head there, bro. I can see those eyes looking like, oh,
Bro,
okay.
listen, I told Kiggs now I take some conditioning doing 2 streams. Actually, I have new respect for Kiggs doing 2 streams a day. But I've enjoyed it. You guys know how much I love the stream, how much I love the chat. So the only thing I didn't enjoy is my back. I think if my back was stronger, I would stream not 24/7, but 12 hours a day, easy. But yeah, it's been good. Yeah, hopefully Jeff can be back and ready on Monday, and it is good to be here, Chad. As always, let's finish this week the way we started. Actually, finish stronger than we started. So let's keep that energy up.
Hey, we got my boy looking a bit better there, bro. You were looking a bit washed out there and
Pasty,
pale.
pasty.
Nah, you look like you've just been baking in the sun.
Beautiful.
But let's get into the chat. Let's jump on those charts. So straight off the bat, let's see fundamentals. We 2:30 had core PCE price index come out. Coming out pretty much flat, and then at 4 p.m. we got consumer sentiment. They are again expecting that to come out flat. I think we spoke about this morning. Again, this is where the economy is going to start to battle with those weak GDP numbers that came out. So this is where we're going to start seeing that come to play. And again, I think where we're going to start seeing that weak dollar come to play. So over on the charts, guys. Obviously, I think this was the news. Yeah, 230, very much, even though coming out flat, bearish for the dollar, jumping all the way back down to Asia lows, and then back up to test this zone. So as I said to you guys, the big thing we want to see before we can go lower, you need that retest and then probably a further breakdown, because if we reject again, just coming back down to see that key level of 105,300 at this time, even though we holding it, guys, the big thing I always say to you, if you're going to get away from a key area, you want that test, get away. The fact we've got all of this over here, all of these wicks, that is showing us, as much as the buyers are coming in, it is a very, very weak area, and we are going to come down to get all of that. So that's what we're going to take note of. So dollar, again, same as yesterday, even though it's trying to fight back, I don't think it's going to. And if we see also testing this 200, I think we're going to get a nice reaction off of that as well. So again, dollar, we're going to go bearish for this session. Hopefully see that nice sell-off again and can see us trade right back down. Looking to take out that 105,300, Asia lows, and trade off.
Sorry.
Yeah.
You want a Kawhi smoothie?
A Kawhi smoothie?
I'm keen for one. It's Friday. You want one?
I won't say no, my brother.
Chad. Let's ask Mo. Let's ask the mandem.
Dave Deal FR wants to be your close friend. I don't know how he found my PlayStation name handle. It's a bit of a weird time. Chad, is that one of you in the chat? Yeah, it's adding me on PlayStation. That's a bit weird. I don't know who that is, but somehow they're adding me. But yeah, let's carry on, guys. So dollar, we are looking for the sells. Going over to Nasdaq, we are seeing that sell off coming in over here. On the 4 hour, we're saying to you guys, we are bullish. We basically traded off, holding that support, trading right back up. So first thing we can look at, guys, next level over here is that 17,500 flat, pretty much. So we're going to look for that. There we go, 17,500 flat. These 4 hour lows. Over to the 30 minute, we'll see this come into play there. That's the zone we want to see over here. Nice break above, retest to where prices come in a few times. So if NAS does sell off, we'll see there it's pretty much smack bang in between the daily pivot and our EQ. So we're going to hopefully see something like this, a little bit of a pullback to retrace this big move from literally those earnings coming out last night, and then that big bar back to the top side. So maybe when market opens, as you're already moving, that quick move to the downside and then back above. The minute we get above Asia lows, I'll look to start taking those longs. Then over to US 30 looking a bit better. Obviously, no big move off yesterday, but we are seeing this actually looking a little bit bearish on the 4 hour. But again, pretty much simple for me. Trading off, coming right back, holding. We are now seeing those buys. I think this over here specifically, thanks brother, this over here is going to see those sellers, everyone trying to get in there. But the first thing I actually want to look at is in this little ranging market, we closed above, we traded right back up, coming back down, taking out these lows, holding that EQ, and that is what I want to see. We've now taken the low of the day, as I always say to you guys, testing that EQ, faking out those sells, and if we can get back above, again, seeing that dollar strength that's trying to come through, fail, and then we'll see that US 30 continue to the top side. So still going to be pretty much bullish on US 30. Then finally, guys, lastly, we got gold. Gold, I said to you guys this morning, after Chris's beautiful buy, I said, I'm out of this. The only time I'm going to look at gold is when it gets to 23.48. That's my key area, and we can see us literally trading above, hitting that R1, hitting that area, all the range over there, guys. Look at this, how it's reacting on this zone. Above it, above, break below, retest, come back for the retest, literally back again. So literally a nice area of interest. If we start trading back down, again, I'm not going to be looking for those buys. If we come anywhere to this Asia range, I am not going to look for the buys. I do not like the idea of gold coming all the way back down. So if anything, we could come down for the weekly supply, have a retest of the weekly supply. That would be my final straw to go back bullish. But other than that, we're going to look for any type of break above this 23.48, a solid hold above 23.48, and then we'll look to go long if we can get some confluencies at the same time and see the continuation to the top side. But that's everything from my side. Chris, what you looking at, brother?
I'm looking at a salted caramel and a peanut butter bomb, and it's like 300 Rand for 3 smoothies. I'm ready to throw down, Chad. We are balling here on a Friday. We might not have supercars that's rented or on somebody else's name, but at least we can buy these smoothies. Give me 1 second here, Keeks. Holy smokes, Chad. These boys do not play. Let's go salted caramel. You fine with the salted caramel, Keeks?
Yeah, bro, change it up.
Let's mix it up here, guys. Collagen powder. Extra 400 Rand for a scoop of collagen powder. Beautiful.
Yo, it seems a bit rough, eh?
Hey, Kawhi.
2 G's worldwide.
Keeks, listen here, I'm serious. If there's ever a sponsor I would love, is if Kawhi could sponsor us. Chad, I'm gonna be very honest. If Kawhi can, if you know somebody from Kawhi, let's lock it in. I'm gonna chat to you guys now. It's still some time, 12 minutes. Very easy what we're doing here this afternoon. Alrighty, chat. How's everyone doing? Everyone feeling good? We've got some smoothies on the way here. Okay, so we are on DXY, chat. Let's have a look. Data came out relatively mixed. Data came out relatively mixed. Let me just see. CPCE coming in hot. So obviously inflation still sticky, chat. Still sticky. A little bit of a mixed result all over the show here. Let's just check the 4 hour. Alright, previous 4 hour closing bullish. There's that weekly S1. Chad, very tricky here. Not gonna lie, very tricky going into the end of the week here for DXY. 5 minute 80 starting to flip bullish, and I'm gonna say we cannot really be bearish on the dollar unless we get below here. So keep an eye on this level right here for bearish continuations. Otherwise, the longer we stay above here, the bullish, what the flip, the more bullish. You can't say bullisher. The more bullish it is going to get. US 30, look at this, Chad. We spoke about that daily still being potentially bearish for that wick fill, but again also potentially bullish. So trickier that wick to fill. Let's check the 5 minute. Let me check the 4 hour real quick as well. Okay, next 39 minutes. Massive decline yesterday. Somewhat of a consolidation here. And if we close on the 4 hour like this, I think we are actually going to come down lower. So let's see that 39 minutes. 5 minutes. We've got 80 still looking solid. Asia highs swept. I can't buy unless we're above here, Chad. And I'm going to look here for potential sell continuations right here. NAS, let's look at NAS 4 hour time frame. NAS key level here. All right. 3 hours 39. Chad, still same level, 17,599. Let's look at it. 80 still bullish. Yeah, very simple, Chad. This level right here. Buys above. If we can do something like this, very very simple. Buys above, some type of structure break there. Otherwise, potential sells if we continue to reject it. And gold, let me just take a sip here, Chad. Ugly. Have you ever dated an ugly ex? This is uglier than one of your exes. This chart here. This chart makes me think of a lot of things, a lot of bad things that we don't necessarily want to bring up here. It is a very good Friday so far. So this year, mess. This is like a lot of us in our spiritual life, just a mess, laying in our mess. So 2350. That is the level we talked about. There's that 4 hour. Chad. Let's see. Let's try and make sense of what we've got going on here. There's that retest on that 200. Chad. It's not looking really clean here. It is not really looking that clean. I'm going to say I want to see key level for me going into the session is here. 2345, similar level we bought from earlier this morning there. That's a key level for me here. And then potentially sells below here. And then buy continuations above here, because look at this. Let me just show you guys. 2350. Oh, 2350. Just I'm trying to build somewhat of a framework here for us. So let's look at this. See all of this, Chad. So the first time we can get above here now, come up, break above, hold, continue. Again, that next wave of volume. Otherwise, continuation sells below here. I don't really want to sell here, Chad. I'm going to wait rather here. I would buy here, however. 2345 I would buy here, but let's see. 6 more minutes and then we are ready to go. Alright, Keeks, that's me. That is me, Chad. Jedi TFT down. Is there a song to make the XY pump? Oh, is King Shaq short? That's indirectly. King Shaq saying, "Hey guys, I am short on gold." That's why he wants the dollar to pump. Yeah, Donnie, let me know how those Samis were. Were they delicious? Lilith managed to get you in time. Beautiful, beautiful. Jason Vessels. JW. Keys, have you greeted your fellow? Remember, you're the leader.
I know,
of
bro.
this
I'm
stream.
sorry, Chad. I promise you, we just dropping something out for you guys quickly. Just again, it's these things that are time sensitive. So had to just do that. You guys have got my full attention now after this. We're doing this for the community, guys. So don't worry. It's not like a. We got 5 minutes, Chad. 5 minutes till market open. Are you gonna? What are you looking for in gold, Chris?
No, I'm saying it's messy. It's like that when you said you told your wife only one drink with the boys, only one drink, and it actually turns into a potential divorce. A young boys' night, very, very simple. Plan was simple, and things just escalated, deviated completely, and things just, Chad, you don't want that. Ask me. I've been there. You don't want that. You want things simple. And you spending extra time on a boys' evening, it's not simple. It just becomes very, very complicated.
But yeah, I think, Chad, let's run through these little likes so quickly. I can't see everyone from the start, so we're just going to go through we can. Hood Angels, Etty, Peter Murray, Machla, Mela, Bevan, Donnie, Slashy, I think we said you. Who else? Craig, Sam, N, Bevan Gross, Lyndon, Clinton, Motive, Hub, The Focus Trader, Jason Larkin, our newly wrenched, Kiyosh, Cole, Vin Forgel. Who else are we seeing, you guys? Forex Money Machine. Who else haven't we mentioned? Oh, Farbs in the building, Boss Bobby, Sean Hobbs. Who else, guys? Delano. Let's see. Ashland V.
Oh,
Who else are we missing? King Shaq is in the building. Who else? Sego. Who else? I'm Shaylin, Jared Buerta. Yes, guys, there's a lot of you so far this morning. Daniel
Afternoon.
S.
Chris, your analogies are something else.
Amina, Gold Forever. New York, guys, there's a lot of you coming through here. Will Wise, David, Nila, Jetty. Who else? Samad, Melanie, JW, Lilith, Tina Satini, the big one. Aliyah.
Are you literally greeting everybody?
I'm going through them, bro. We are going through the chat, yeah. Darren, Samad. Who else are we missing? Andrea.
Travel is not yet, yeah.
Offense, Gordon, Nugu Benny. Let's see. That's all the ones I see here, guys.
Yeah.
That's all the names that came through. If I missed you, apologies. But welcome, Chad.
Chris, when you get really bored, please try Comedy Central. Sorry, man, my mind works in these analogies. Like, when I talk about something, I try and liken it to another experience. So I'll always be like, I had a good friend of mine when we trained for Ironman. Obviously, me and him spend a lot of time together in the morning, cycling like 3 hours before work on weekends, sometimes 8 hours on the bike. And we made these little jokes saying like, I'm like, bro, how do you feel? And then he would, for instance, say, bro, have you ever had those Marmite Samis and you actually forgot them in your bag, but you were so hungry later that afternoon and they were a little bit warm and moist and you still had them? I feel like those Samis now maybe picked up a little bit of moisture. So that's how we kept one another going for the session. So yeah, always these little jabs of how we feeling, what the situation is looking like, and
Yeah, that's Chris right here. Explaining an analogy with an analogy. There we go. Chad, please hit that like button. Go, Chad. There we go. Love that, mate. They kill me, these analogies. Oh, guys. But that's it, guys. Markets are open. Round 2. Fight, baby. Let's see if we can get that KO here on the Friday afternoon. The little finishing touches. DXY looks like it wants to, I will tell you now when my screen unfreezes, retest that area. So we're back at that retest, Chad. If we go over to it,
It's on my
yeah,
screen.
I'm going to it now. Retest in there, as we can see. Nasdaq selling off. As I said to you guys, we can see this little 4-hour low be tested over here. See if we can hold that as support. US 30, again, same area. We can see something coming into play here. That sell off first and then the counter. So NAS and US 30, we're going to set some alerts there at those zones. Gold, I said to you guys, my final stand for the buys would be at weekly supply. Anything under that, I'm not happy to take the buys. So we're going to see what happens there. Chris, I saw you had an area of interest on DXY. I think it was.
Yeah. So Asia has daily pivot. Do I have ADHD by any chance? Yes, I have. Chris, het jy al gery? Oh, Jean Lee, that's some old jokes there. Are you referring to the hockey one? I think it was the hockey group where the mother dropped some nudes there for my boy Chris.
Wait, what?
Didn't you remember a while back? The kids, or let's call it the school, had the ADHD thing, yes, I do. But the school had like a hockey group. So where all the moms and parents like, hey, no hockey today, whatever.
Oh, yeah.
And the one mom was, obviously her and her husband was a little bit getting heated there in terms of
freaky.
Yeah, freaky, and she's like sending him some nudes. She thought she was sending some nudes, and then she asked Chris, het jy al gery? Meaning like, is he on his way yet? I don't know if it was like a fair or whether they were married or whatever, but I think it was a good time for the older gents being on the hockey group, and then some of the other dads were like, "Bro, why aren't you playing hockey? Get on the hockey group." Anyways, I think John Lee's talking about that one.
Oh my gosh, I still need to finish the pod with Jean Lee. The pod with Jean Lee's not even out yet, bro. It comes out on Sunday, so I think maybe you're talking about Ethan or Garen. Yeah, the Jean Lee podcast only comes out on Sunday.
And then it was obviously the one with the teacher that was banging the water polo team. I think Nick Mallett's cousin or sister or whatever. Bro, I laughed so hard. I don't know if we can get Chad. There's no anyways.
Right, like,
Chad,
you know what is funny? Like you hear about these stories growing up, but they really are real. Like legit, we had those teachers at our school. I know people that did it. It was bro.
So this was, I think this was at Bishop's, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, it was Bishop's.
Was it Bishop's? and the one guy, there was this group, and they were saying, he came on the group and it's like, I don't know why John had to now spoil it for everyone else. Like, why didn't I get banged by the water polo coach? And it came out, and then we had a golf group, and we made some jokes, and it's like, flip, bro, I'm gonna go post matric, go back to Bishop, start playing water polo. Just off the record, I think she was a 7-8. I don't know. Let's maybe see. But
they got caught because it was the video that got leaked.
I don't. She was sending nudes. Bishops.
But I remember seeing the video. And that was it. But
bro, we saw everything.
No,
like the guys dumped everything on that golf group. That's why golf groups stay away. I'm off the golf groups. It is just a bad day to try and
Yeah,
walk
I
the
just
straight and
remember
narrow.
I just saw the video and I was like, yo, this chick's going to town, yeah. Like she's
What would you rate her? Let's see. I can't remember. From what I
I
can
definitely
see,
don't
she
think
was a
that's gonna-
7.
but that was a crazy story, eh? Like that thing went viral.
Fiona Viotti. Let's check here.
Guys started wanting to be pro water polo players. Oh,
Nah, bro. We don't even have water polo.
Chris said, let's see.
Yeah, chat. Sorry, man. We need to do a rating here while we wait.
We're waiting for the 50-minute shuffle, guys. So
I'm just trying to find. Is this the one? Bro, if this is someone else, I don't know, bro. Then water polo. I don't know what's up with water polo. Keep your kids out of the water polo team.
yeah, I mean, then there was the whole drama at St Andrews.
The water polo
Then there
team is
was-
getting running and gunning, Chad. Holy smokes. My PC even freezing up here. Is the internet slow, my bro?
It's fine on my side.
Alright, let's see. I just want to see how. I don't want to say she was a 7, and then the boys come back and say, Chris, you're claiming 7s, but at best, 5s.
Hey, bro, to those schoolboys, she was a 12, bro.
No, bro, dreams were.
Keegs, what happened at St Andrews? There was a teacher that was apparently like touching the boys. But the
A male teacher.
yeah, male teacher.
Bro, that's messed up. Like the female teacher, like
Did you
I
guys
think it
hear
was
about
first team guys.
He was an old Grey teacher. He was a teacher at Grey.
And they asked
then
him
he
to
moved,
leave,
and he got asked
actually.
to leave because they kept it, I think, under the rugs. But he got asked to leave, and then he went to St Andrews. And then I'm trying to think what his name was. Where's brought out coffees? Fobs. Shit, I'm hitting a blank here.
Joburg.
Brought us our smoothies
Pretoria.
yesterday.
Pretoria boys
No
are.
man, who brought us our smoothies?
Jono.
Jono will. He also was a teacher at our school, bro. If Jono's here, Jono will know it. Mackenzie there. Adam knows. Mackenzie. No, Carlson. Okay, Adam Carlson was the Pearson teacher who went to Australia, and it happened there. But Mackenzie was the one who went to St Andrews and got caught. Yeah, there, Mackenzie. I think it's David Mackenzie, if I'm correct.
I would kick that guy's teeth out. No,
Yeah,
my
bro,
dude.
it's a water polo coach thing. Because check it. So Mackenzie was the one who went to St Andrews, water polo. Then there's this teacher from Bishops, water polo. Then it was Dean Carlson who went to Australia, water polo coach. There's something in the water polo.
Nah,
players,
bro. No more water polo. Like, if nah, bro.
Bro,
No,
you
no,
joking, Adam? Was he seriously, bro?
What now?
So Dean Carlson, so he was a big teacher. So he was a first team rugby coach at Grey. Then left Grey, came to Pearson, was first team coaches for water polo and rugby and stuff at Pearson. Then went to Australia and he got caught with the whole child stuff in Australia. Now you're saying he came back. Oh, not what? I know he came back because he lost everything. He was in jail for a bit, came back. Now you're saying he got caught again in the UK. Like, oh my word, bro.
Nah, then is it a dude?
You know what to do? These all dudes.
They need to chop that thing. Take out his wick. Wick needs to be removed.
That is justice, bro. That's mad. Mad. By the way, Adam, do you still DJ, bro? Maybe that's the thing. Guys, let's just see if he still DJs.
Where's my one, bro?
Mo's having a timeout, bro. That man's having a nap. Chris Liesko made post. Younger than everybody.
Yeah, Chad, I don't know. Let's quickly have a run through here. Keegs is on my screen.
No, it's on your screen now, bro.
Alright, there's that teacher. Chad, let's quickly do a rating here. I know it's difficult now. You can't really I can't. Yo, it's also quite a few years ago.
This was, I think, 2019, if I'm correct.
Shame, who's this guy? Oh, is this a husband? Damn.
Daniel says solid 8. King Shack solid 7. The man's a 10 though.
No, who said the man's a 10, bro?
King Shack.
Hey.
A strong 7.5. This was 2018 at Bishops. Okay, 2018, not 2019. 2018, yeah. I just know I was in Cape Town when this happened.
Really?
Yeah, this is when I was playing rugby
Did
in Cape
you
Town.
try to get into the water polo team? Be honest. Be
Bro,
honest.
I'm out of school. I'm playing rugby. I'm not
This
in
man is
school.
trying to play water polo. Like, I'll post matric. Get me in here.
Till Trader. I know the Bishop's teacher, Nick Matt. Hey, shout Chrissy.
It's a pleasure, man.
She
Did
probably
you get
deals
yours?
OnlyFans now. But since she's a teacher, she's a 10, 6 for looks, 4 for assets. I was at Weinberg Boys. I got to see some of the photos and videos. Bevan, as I said, bro, I
saw all the
I saw the
photos.
videos. I never saw
Bro,
the
I
photos.
saw. Listen here. Golf groups, animalistic. If you are on there, get off those golf groups. It is, bro. Anyways, the guy's photo, I don't know where, they photo dumped literally almost everything that she ever posted was in that golf group. You know what the funny thing is? Some of the oaks found out about the golf group and they're like, add me on the golf group, add me on the golf.
Bro, but literally, alleen. Vasinon's asking for a friend.
Alian, like you asking now, the boys were like, why am I not on the golf group? It's like, but you don't play golf, bro. I'm going to start
I'm going to
this
start
week.
playing golf.
Get me on the golf group.
But actually, Chris, this is an idea we must think of. Adam, I do, bro. More of a side hobby at the moment. Adam's actually a DJ, bro. Adam can make us a theme song for the channel. Then we can't get copyrighted for it.
Adam, where's Adam from?
He's from P.
Really?
Yeah. Adam
Adam.
can make a theme song for us. And that way we don't get copyrighted. It's our song.
We can. Yeah, say no to water polo, Chad. Unless you want to go post matric.
I'm honored. Hey! Adam
Adam
gonna throw the
Oostendorf.
tunes there, guys. We're gonna have the theme song. We're gonna have a TP song, a stop loss song.
Nah, the Bishops boys were locked in, my dude. They were locked in.
Thank goodness I can't swim then.
Yeah, bro, we don't have,
yeah, no, guys.
we don't have water polo, my dude. Alrighty, Chad.
Or DXY is breaking that little high now, guys. Well, it's not breaking it, it's testing. Oh, Travel Wild Show is back, guys.
baby! Here we go. Travel Wild Show. What are we doing?
The absolute master of the twist in travel chat.
Yo, Travel Wild Show. Give it to us, my brethren. Give us that full caps. That's what I love. This man is full caps. He's not holding back. Remember, I told you it's a Spanish thing, so don't feel offended. Chad is not actually shouting. That's just good manners in that part of Spain. Give it to us. TWS. That's a fine ground up capital. Chad, please tell ground up capital the rules of talking. Unless ground up capital, if you took that before the stream started, great. But if you took it during the stream and you didn't let your fellow brethren know you are going long or short, that is a fine.
So fine, brother.
That's a fine, my dude.
Daniel S. Chris was the captain of the water polo team.
Let me not get myself into trouble here, but I might have post-matric. I would have gone back to school if that water polo team was UNP. And I'm kidding, Chad. You guys want to get me in trouble with my wife, Liffy? Dis 'n grappie. Dis 'n grappie. Jy weet, ek is nie 'n ou vir waterpolo nie. Chris was captain now, bro.
When you did your triathlons and that, where was swimming in that equation? Was that like one of your stronger areas or?
Nah, no, listen, weirdly enough, I didn't swim well, bro. So I was so concerned about the swim leg of the Ironman. But it was actually the easiest part of the race, the swim.
Ground up capital. Sorry, didn't know. I took it before the stream. Remember in the morning, I said I'm looking to sell when price hits 23.50.
Okay. No, we can do that. Unity Markets afternoon. Manne en vroue. Lekker boys. Gold doing a young Damperino, yeah. Keeks, what is your bias on gold?
On gold.
Yeah.
I want to go long, but if we start getting back to Asia highs,
Where
I
long
won't go
from
long.
where?
Basically now the weekly supply. If we don't hold the weekly supply, then I'm.
Wait, show me your chart because it feels weird. It's like sitting on that side. You see both screens. But,
Yeah. Yeah. So if we start failing this weekly supply, if we if we fail this and we get back here, weak Asia lows is a target.
Oh, they're weekly S1.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Just entered sales on gold.
2x. I love the X2. So it's a polar bear and a grizzly bear. All right. Chad, let's just mark this out so we can keep tabs on just entered sell. Oh, all right, Chad. I'll keep tabs on TWS's position, yeah. My boy TWS.
Keys, what's a good TP on a gold sell? As I said, the guys, Asia lows. I'd monitor if you're just happy taking TP Asia lows. Otherwise, if I'm being real with you, thing is if you break back down, once you break that range, because your supply is right there at Asia lows. If you break the supply, you can go all the way back down to 2300. But I would say just take Asia lows. TWS last call was a loss. Ooh.
Really? Sure. Chad, very interesting. US 30 coming through Asia highs, holding that daily pivot. And haven't really retested Asia highs, just a break.
I was going to see, Chris, you put where TWS's entry was, right?
Yeah.
Just draw it there quickly because where that is, he said stop loss is at 23.44. I just want to see how big is that then? Because
the stop then is $5.7.
Okay.
$5.7 stop.
All right. So as a
let's measure this man's performance.
no, I was gonna say because I was like,
Let's
I want to
keep
see.
him. No, I want to keep him
that's
honest. I want to keep him honest.
That's a decent sized stop on gold.
I want to keep my boy honest. Yeah. I don't know where his target is, but let's
He's
say.
just saying long sell. Sorry, which gold chart?
What
do
is
you
a
use on
long
TradingView,
sell?
or Ender?
What is a long sell? No, man, TWS. Stop this.
Mystesia, you mad or what? Which loss? Travel Wild Show, you did take that massive loss. I think when we were talking about on Tuesday, we told to buy and that thing completely reversed. So I don't know about that one, but I know about before that.
Alrighty, Chad. Just gotta wait. 80 is still bullish for me on gold. Nasdaq holding a 17,600. We've got a level here that is a very, very interesting level for me on Nas. I almost want to say, Chad, if we can get above this level, if we can do something like this on the 5, break above here, potential long first target, that wick fill there. Nasdaq Nasdaq 15 seconds. Not gonna close above there. Let's see. 10. Okay. Ooh, Chad.
I say, guys. So for me now, do I do it?
What do you want to do?
I want to go long on gold. I'm gonna wait for the 15 to close. Rather, I'm not gonna. Oh yes,
I'm gonna wait for like a little break retest because the order flow is still somewhat bearish from those highs. Let me just see.
Chris, the right side of your chart is not visible. I just put it a little bit left, Chris.
Oh, like this.
There, perfect.
Okay. Chat. I'm too slow. I'm too slow. Yeah. Was it? Oh, yeah. Okay. Chad. Did anyone take Nasdaq? I didn't take. I'm still looking. Sorry, this is a different PC, so my thing wasn't set up here. Where do I? Did anyone take it? Holy smokes! Nasdaq wasn't on here. All the other things were on, but
TWS's TP's 2320.
Chad, did anyone take Nas? I know Jakes took it. If he didn't take it, then I don't know. I'm done trading for the day. I know Jakes 100% took it. Where's my boy Jakes? What's Jakes? Jakes is not here today.
I haven't seen Jake's
Yeah,
yet.
I haven't seen Jakes.
It left without us. I took Naz. Oh, there we go.
Who took it?
Danielle S.
Hey, Danielle. Go break even. Asia Oz. Go break even because that's where.
Can you increase the volume slightly? Mastery Manifest. Everyone said it's immaculate, brother. So I don't know if it's maybe your volume that needs to be a little bit louder. And Veronica took it.
Hey, Veronica.
And Kiosh.
Wee.
Yeah,
Wee
King
wee.
Shaq, volume perfect. Yeah, don't turn up a volume.
Okay.
Yeah, so Mastery Manifest, it's just on your side there, brother. Or what we call a, what was that thing? A
Geldem.
Geldem.
Geldem. Okay, Chad, missed that. I don't think I would have taken it. If I'm honest, it closed right at that resistance. I would have wanted it a little bit more, somewhere there maybe. So I'm not in. If you took it, beautiful. But again, you must go break even. Asia has been a zone of rejection. Just look at it on my screen, Keeks.
Yeah, it's on your stream, brother.
Let me just see here. Reason why I say go break even there, just look at this, Chad. Just go, let me just do this. Just want to see that a little bit more. That OCD. It's not going to allow that little. Okay. Look left here with me, Chad. Look at that Asia high level. What do you see there? What does thou, brethren, see? Multiple rejections. And that is why if you took it from here, break even there, because again we can reject, but also now this gives us the opportunity, if we miss the entry here, to do something like this a little bit later. And if we close above and we hold the retest to go long, so keep that in mind. And then gold, just waiting for this 2340 level. Beautiful level. Gigs waiting for the.
Now Travel Wild Show is selling US 100. Yeah, this man's a machine gunner.
All right. Okay.
Somebody
Somebody just keep track of that. We gotta keep the boys honest here.
but also Jedi 777 86 stories with the best prop firms to use, brother. Right here, if you look at the side, which was that side over there, you'll see there 2 G's, and right in the middle, Vault Funder. Definitely use them over there. You can find a link at the bio underneath, and then again, guys, the discount code. Chris, is there anything tonight we're gonna see?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock tonight, guys.
Flipping a coin.
45% off.
I'm flipping a coin 9 o'clock tonight. Heads. I'm going to do a live coin flip. If it is heads, we're keeping it live for another week. If it is tails, we're ending it right there.
There we go, guys. So again, and guys, it's payday. It's payday weekend, things like that. Don't make excuses. Make the most out of it. Get yourself an account. Again, and you can do it on anything, guys. If you even get a small account, 45% off, like, that's almost nothing.
Peter Murray, isn't it more likely to break? Yes, Peter Murray, but also remember, we always need to prepare for the unprepared. The thing, as what's the name says us, the thing that breaks us is the thing we thought never could. So even though the idea is that after these multiple rejections, it's going to pump, we still need to be prepared for that one scenario maybe where it does not pump. So if you hear what I'm saying. That's why we still take precautionary measures to protect our equity.
Travel Wild Show, I think you need to wake up, brother. The trade on gold ran before 10:15, so you weren't in that trade as your signal. Your signal was to buy gold at 10:15, and between 11:15, Chris's trade was exactly already at TP at 10 o'clock. So you were not in that buy, my brother.
But we still love you, TWS. We still love you, my brother.
And if you think I'm wrong, I was checking it, bro. So you can happily go back and look at this morning stream if you can prove me wrong on what you said yourself. Does it close at 9 tonight? No, not that it closes, just at 9. Chris is going to do a coin flip, and if it does end, then it ends. If it lands on heads, it ends. If it ends on tails, it carries on, whichever way he does it, but that's it. So it's a 50-50, it could end tonight.
Bro.
Yeah.
It slaps so hard,
Is this the prop firm? Sorry, I missed what you said. Yes, it is the prop firm.
Chad, Kawhi. The most overpriced smoothies you can get, but so good. Sometimes they don't make it good, but these ones were...
Really, the last 2 days, these smoothies have...
No, they've slapped, my dude. Here's a business idea for you.
Guys, so remember we said the buys, that's what I said, at the end of this 15, if I'm happy, I will enter now.
Are we going to take it?
Yeah, bro. Can I share my screenshots, Keegs? Damn, you so negative. I don't give a shit what your screenshots are, bro. That is your word, and if your word is nothing, you are not a man. So, that is as simple as it comes.
Oh, is there news in 2 minutes? Oh, dude, sorry. It's Michigan, I would say, wait. MSC, MCSI.
It's the consumer sentiment, eh?
Yeah, it's quite a biggie. It's a biggie. It's a biggie. It is a biggie. Chad, I'm going to be honest. This, for me, is a potential, if it closes like this, potential reversal setup there.
Yeah, Peter, I do hear what you're saying, bro.
Chad, so what I'm going to do here, if it closes like this, consumer sentiment comes out. And for maybe the first 15 seconds, it vibrates lower. And on the flip, I'm going to take it. So I'm just letting you guys know. I'm not in yet, but that is the idea. Maybe vibrate a little bit lower. And then if it vibrates lower, I'm going to put a buy stop on the high of this candle. But I first want to see a bottom wick, and I want to see it close somewhere here, so that we have that minor break. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. For the guys that just joined, this is Travel Wild Show's short position. We're just tracking it because we just want to keep our brother accountable here.
Yeah.
We don't mind him sharing the trades, but we must also see what he's talking. Otherwise, we gotta mute him in the chat if he's bombing the chat with SLs.
Let's see, guys. News coming out. Let's see what we can get. 3, 2, 1.
Okay,
A bit of a freeze.
what is it doing?
What the news come out as? Pending.
Um,
Came out lower, so that is dollar weakness.
Chad not getting that vibration.
Oh, travel. That stop loss is coming, brother. I know you were saying we're mad about you taking a loss, but you're getting very close to one right now, brother.
Did he say we getting mad because he?
No, he was tuning the chat, that they're mad because someone said he takes a loss. He's like, are you mad? Oh, he's about to take one now.
Man, Chad, sorry man, it never vibrated lower, so not interested. I'm gonna grab it here, 2045 once we get through here. Not gonna grab it here. Gonna wait for 2045. What is US 30 doing? Nasdaq. Keep an eye here, Chad. Remember Asia highs if we can hold there. Not gonna look at the currencies. It's a mess there. Mess. Let's focus on the real things here.
I'm in the bar. I thought you said go in, lol. Or if you're in it, you smiling. I said enter if you had the supply, but I didn't enter it yet.
I don't enter as well because of that news. Damn, Chad. But we're gonna
TWS Travel Wild Show. How does it feel to take a live loss, my brother?
No, I think he's still in though. He's still,
no, but it's coming.
yeah,
That's
he's still in. He's still in. Chad, we're gonna give it. That man.
Yes, I am a better trader than that TWS.
Who's that? Huh?
Daniel S.
Lilith, you naughty. I'm ready. It's a vibrator. Nah, bro, this thing was a poker. It wasn't even a vibrator. It just poked up straight. No vibration. 2 BEs for me. Alright. Was he selling NAS as well? NAS sell. Could still play out.
That's his
Let's
stop
see.
gone now, I think, bro.
Oh, that's your stop. Sorry.
Oh, travel wild show.
Sorry, bro.
Why are you so quiet now, brother?
He's gonna re-enter longs above 23.45. Okay, travel wild show. Sorry, my brother. I had to. Sorry, man. I just had to do this because you came in. You came in very hot. You came in hot. The thing is,
straight blues travel.
the thing is, if you come in hot with caps, we gotta keep you honest here. Gotta keep you honest here.
Bro, you can even run a massive stop like that on gold. If you cuck, you cuck.
So no, but remember we working with TW.
You can work with the man, bro. When he comes in here tuning my chat, I'm gonna tune him, bro.
We trying to rehabilitate him. TWS. All right. Chatadonia, baby. The guys that took that ballsy. I was hoping for a little pullback here, and then the break of that high. But if you took it, beautiful. I'm gonna get it here somewhere.
Buy altcoin now times 10.
Neil van der Westhuizen, stay there. Chad, I'm looking for something like this. Then I'm gonna grab those long arenas.
Yo, US studies gone, bro.
Where moon
Yes,
shots,
to the moon.
moon shots, Chad. Nasdaq moon shots as well. Let's see if Nasdaq can at least give us. So we've got some guys in the Nas longs. We've got some guys in the gold longs. Chad, if you took either Nas or gold, give me a 2G in the chat.
A 2G. Trevor also keeps you so super negative. I'm not, brother. I'm just negative towards you. That's pretty much it.
Okay, let's check here. If you took gold, longs, and if you took NAS longs.
Ow. The 2G.
2G.
Sniper injury straight to the stop loss, TWS.
I'm smiling at 50
Hey,
pips.
Lilith, there you go.
2G, I'm
2Gs,
Bevan.
hey.
Okay.
2Gs times 2Gs. I took both. The Chad is eating you guys.
Chad, that is beautiful. Listen, the day's not done, Chad. This 23.45. And then we've got this little liquidity pool here for all the short sellers that we absolutely going to blast through. So get ready for that. That's going to be beautiful. Just to end off this week on a beautiful, beautiful note. So, and my boy Keegan hitting you guys there with the young ad.
Trader, agree I lost and at least it's proven. Keek, show us your screen when trading. I do, bro. I trade live every single day. What a chop. What a chop, bro. I've been doing this for how long, you? Yeah, no, bro. Some kids, bro. I think you need to go back to school. Your parents wasted their money on your education, bro.
All right, TWS. Before the weekend starts, we just starting you off early, traveling through the metaverse. We will see you on Monday, my brother.
Hey.
Travel safe, stay safe, and we will see you on Monday, my brother.
Bro, I'm gonna show my screen when I trade. We literally trade live.
All right, I've seen it all. Chad, is there anything more that we need to do than what we are doing? I don't know. Must we call out harder saying, hey, Chad? All right, let's see.
Bro, but that NAS in US is aggressive though. Like it's like those pullbacks.
US30 not doing too much. NAS is very interesting.
But I must say that pullback's just Asia highs. It's like that could be a beautiful just retest of Asia highs.
Chad, if this 5 minute can close bearish like it is now, beautiful setup, holding Asia highs, and the next candle closes like this, I'm in it to win it right there.
Danielle S, yes you can. You can do that.
What is she asking?
If I join Vault Funder, can I copy my trade from another account?
Yes.
Because I'm a 100k funder on FTMO.
Yes.
You can do that.
All right, Chad, just going to run to the bathroom real quick. 23.45, I like what we're doing here. The rejection, I'm looking for that next 5 minutes to break above here. And then I'm going to go for a Chad right there, something like that. Nice break.
Are you going gold?
Yeah, I want this to close bearish and the next one to break through 23.45.
Yeah, I'm with you on that. Namandam. Yeah, this playlist. I think this is where guys Travel's getting that energy. He's getting sitting there banging his head to this playlist. Keys, were you negative towards TWS? Don't know if I missed something. Alien, he's, as I said, he just basically tunes. He gets very aggressive and he tuned the chat, the community. And that's one thing. We can joke. I can take the heat. I can take the pressure. But you come for the community. And I put my foot down over there. Alien, not the right time, dude. Nah, it's sure, bro. As I said, like, there's nothing wrong with it. I'm negative towards him because it's the same thing. We are family at the end of the day, and if people come for my family, you're going to see a nasty side of us. But yeah, guys, on my side, so Chris obviously looking for that break above. Very similar from my side. I'm just looking for a nice break above this as well. So it's almost very similar to where Chris wants to enter. But yeah, get that break above, hold. I'll look to go long as well. So just got to be a bit patient with it, guys. That's pretty much all we're going to wait for. No man, Keegs. I just mean that man's been giving us cuck every single day. Yeah, no, bro. Jason Larkin, is TWS not the other bro that used to come and do the same in the chat? Lol. Maybe it could be, bro. Keeks Toronto. Oh, Keek Shack. Lol. Was just curious. I went for a smoke outside, came back to Keek saying he's only negatives. Yeah. And sell gold. No, Javito, we want to buy gold. We don't want to sell it. I know it does not bother you. We know what a trader you are. No, I appreciate it, bro. Okay, just showing the screen. There you guys go. We are showing a screen, guys. Don't tell anyone. If the trade doesn't go away, I'm gonna quickly put it on Chris's screen.
Okay, so we're not getting that bearish candle closure. Nasdaq holding Asia highs, Chad. US 30.
Gavin, there is definitely still a chance for a sell. Literally, as I said to you guys, just for me, if we invalidate this, so if you look at this basically invertedly to how I want it, this can be a break retest of that zone. It holds, and you will see the sell come back to Asia range, and then it's the massive sell off to Asia lows. So the sells definitely can still play out. Again, I'm not looking for that because that's not just agreeing with my bias, if that makes sense. How's the 2Gs? Any stop loss and news rules on Vault Funder? No, you don't have to have a stop loss set, and you can trade news. Being sent to the Gulag on payday is the same as you want to go out tonight, but you know you only have enough for your debit orders to go off. I love that the trolls can never get their way. Yeah, that gold trade was awful. Yeah, no. Is this, wait, Mo, are you really coming back? Are you talking about TW's trade or the one that we said take the bars? Which one are you talking about? Keegs, which account would you recommend on VF? I know it's a broad question, still working on the skills. Honestly, bro, purely for myself, if you're doing the rand, 550 and up. If it's the dollar, 50 and up. That's personally just me. TV is going to play the big revenge in the metaverse this weekend. I'm safe. I had TP set at 23.45. I'm buying gold. Perfect. Awesome, guys. So, like I said, Gavin, if you are in the cells, break below here. Your cells definitely can be on. As I said, the minute these weekly supplies is invalidated or disrespected, then, yeah, for me, the bars are off the table for the rest of the day.
Dr. Disrespect.
I still think gold can sell, just unlucky with a break even. Can't get them all, sadly. King Shake, as I said, sells definitely can be on the table, bro. Definitely can be on the table. News manipulated buyers, gold 34. Javito also giving the signals now.
Who's that? Oh, Javito.
They are. Call main
Javito.
fighting events R1 TWS.
So I imagine him to be quite a small Spanish guy. That's actually, he's actually a cool guy, but he's just fighting to. He's that guy that wants to fit in with the boys. He makes inappropriate jokes, and then the boys are like, "Bro, you're part of us. You can chill. You don't have to. Like, we've accepted you, bro. Have your beer, chill. You don't have to impress us. The boys are here. We're chilling." I feel TWS is that guy, but then after a while, if you keep affirming him, then he'll be like, "Oh shit, I am part of the boys. I'm so comfortable." Gigs, you guys also had that one friend like that. He just wanted to. He thought he had to do something special, and you're like, "Bro, it's the boys. Come on."
Do the 2Gs follow UFC, by the way? Yes, we do.
Yeah, bro. What do you mean?
I don't think there's a better way to spend the day trading. Thanks for the stream and Elite Entertainment G's and Chadadonia. Always a pleasure. King Shaq, shot for joining us always, bro.
Hey, tell her to come in here. Tell her to come in here.
Chris, only people with children know that ways. They're always. We got a subscriber here in the chat.
Chad. Look at this, baby. One of us. Come in here. What's your name? Are you in the chat? Active in the chat.
Hey, we got a Chad in the building, guys.
So now you can see where we Chad, beautiful. One of the Chad members coming to say hello to us. The location is, we don't even, it doesn't even need to be leaked. We leak it for you, 189 Cape Road. That's the thing I've said, Chad. If you are a man of the people and does she want a photo? We'll do a photo. Does she want to do a photo quick? Yeah, let's grab a photo. Chad, give us 1 second. We just want to. Yeah, Chad, that is what it's about. That's what I said. That's why we would love to do like a world tour.
Always have time for the Chad, guys.
When you see people that are on the chat, people that you follow come to the office, beautiful. But Chad, yeah, 189 Cape Road Mill Park. You guys are more than welcome anytime. Drop in, come grab a coffee. Obviously not during the stream. We want to keep it locked in.
Yeah, Alien, bro. If they had to come to SA, Chris and I already said, bro, we've got front row seats, like non-negotiable. We there. If UFC comes to South Africa, we there, bro. Trader Tom is back. Who are the two? Location has been leaked. Oh, Trader Tom is coming in aggressive here.
I don't know why is Trader Tom arranged though.
I think you arranged him yesterday.
Is this Trader Tom from the UK?
I don't know. I don't know which one this is.
I think I arranged the wrong Trader Tom. I'm thinking.
Or you can
I'm gonna unarrange him now. I thought it's Tom. I've got a mate from the UK, Tom. So I don't know. That's the guy I wanted to arrange.
Beef incoming. Nah. Photo has to be shared or never happened at all, guys. Hey. Let's see her on the screen so she can say hi. Did you guys not see her on the screens?
We're gonna tag her on
Use the
Instagram
Trader
as
Tom, yeah.
well. Okay. Beautiful. Chad, come Cape Town Oaks. We would love to meet you. Connor, we were there. It was just so busy. Believe it or not, from the morning still. I think we left at 9:30 in the evenings.
James Mill Park, where? It's Mill Park P.
189 Cape
Yeah.
Road, Port Elizabeth.
Are you in the Business Hawk building? No, we're not. That's.
Well, yeah. Business
Where's
Walk
the
was
business-
here.
Oh,
This
yeah.
day or the business that was here. Yeah, 189. Yeah, Chad, here's my thing. If you are doing good towards the community, that's why I said these guys saying they need bodyguards and whatever, the community will embrace you. That's
Yeah.
the thing. If you do right by the community, there's no way that I need to be protected from the community. The
Yeah.
community is your protection. So once you need to start blocking comments and turning stuff off, and Chad, that's when you know you're not doing the right thing.
Yeah. Okay, I thought you guys were in Cape Town. No, bro. Funny enough, a lot of people think we Cape Town, eh?
Do you think we're in Cape Town?
We are representing for GQ, baby. GQ. Bismarck and Volmar's building. Good to see that, yeah. As of how this is looking, guys, actually on the higher time frame, a 15-minute gold actually does look good for the sell, though. Again, I won't take it, not part of my bias, but it does look good for it. Gold, dollar actually breaking those highs, so as you said there, dollar has got that strength now, broken that rejection zone. So yeah, definitely can see that sell-off come now.
Bro, I've got that Friday. That Friday looked like the week. The week has clapped me. The week has. The week has caught up to me in this photo. But 23:45, Chad. Let's lock it in.
Who else here, Chad?
Let me just answer a quick. Hello. Oh. Yeah. All right. Okay. Keeks, I might take it on this 5, eh?
Ooh, okay, hold on, I'm gonna put it on your screen, yeah.
I might. I'm just the only thing is that no bottom wick, but it's holding here. Let's see, Chad. I want to see potentially the longer we hold here, the better. So yeah, you can see from this little low, this was the shift, the pullback, and here's that minor break. So if we can get that,
Yeah.
let's see.
Look at these traders, guys, playing
What's that?
golf.
Who's that?
Chris Bradell.
They're never at their desk.
Chris
We
and-
need to call
And
them
that's
out.
that Kyle James LLC.
They're not. Chad, real traders are here on a Friday in front of the desk, not playing golf. That's when your community pays for your lifestyle. Keeks. That's when those, they must probably have some type of college community.
Kyle, if you're here, my boy. Unfortunately, bro, we're going to have to give you, by the looks of it, I'm going to give you like a 6 on that swing, bro. We're only going to give you like a 6 on that.
Chris Bradell and Duano must have some type of community running a special to join. Keeks, what do you rate?
Yeah.
Chad? That's why we might start that as well. So, Mo. Oh, okay. I'll drop that later. What was the name? Taku. Was it Toku? Toku.
Oh, let me write it down for you.
So I just want to tag it there. Just make it like a post there. No, I'm kidding, Chad. Chris Bradell, Duano.
They're legends, guys.
Yeah, we.
Man has... it's not even a contest. Chris has got the most majestic mullet in South Africa.
Yeah.
He's leading by example there for the guys. Man looks like he literally just walked out of Melbourne. Hope CJ Bankroll is not playing gold, bro. I don't even know. Is that man even still a trader? Is he a thing still? I don't even know when last we saw CJ. Chris, what's your opinion on FX goes back selling courses? They just need money, guys. They coming up short on payments. They need money. Yeah. There's the only thing for it, guys. That's the only reason they do it.
Chad, here's my thing. Again, there's nothing wrong with selling a course. There's nothing wrong with selling a service in trading. There's nothing wrong with it. The issue comes in when you false advertise something and you make it this shiny this very shiny thing, but it's actually a piece of shit. So
Yeah.
that is the issue I've got. Even if your stuff is cuck and you're honest and you're saying, listen here, this is the stats for the last 6 months. Open book. We didn't have a great last 6 months, but we are still punting signals. And if people still pay after that, that is beautiful because the guy was open about it. You knew exactly what you were getting going into it. The issue I have is when guys say, for instance, 90% win rate, come win with us. They show all of these blues, whatever. And you come in thinking, all right, 700 Rand, we are going to bang some TPs here. And the only one getting banged is you. That is wrong. That is the issue I've got. So nothing wrong if there's a quality service. Nothing wrong if the guys are transparent. So, yeah. And then the other thing I want to talk about is what are these guys doing with their money? Because none of these guys that do the course, because they make a lot of money.
It gets interesting when you think about it. But you know, it's the same argument. Like the whole thing, I don't know if you've ever heard of the statistic about your NFL players. Like they make massive money. More than 80% of NFL players are bankrupt after 2 years of retirement.
Yeah, because there's not that cash flow. Yeah, Chad, I don't know.
I mean, when you say like when they're making like, for example, $100 million a year, how the hell do you go bankrupt in 2 days? Like in 2 years? Like that is madness to me.
But remember, they were spending that amount of money.
No, but my thing is like Chris, think of it this way. This is what I think, bro. Is if you go buy a massive house, you've bought the house. That's a big payment. When you buy the 10-car garage, that's a big payment. But when that's done, it's bought. You have it. It's there. It's paid. But now you're just spending money. How the hell are you spending money like that and you're not having like those big expenditures? It's not like I'm still buying houses and things. Like I'm just doing day to day. How much freaking money do you spend on day to day? Like that's to me where it doesn't make sense.
Here's the thing, if you're making that money, buy property, invest it, put it into assets. Like some of these guys have made solid money, but Chad, I don't know what to.
Like King Shaq, I get what you're saying, bro, but that's my thing. Like Chris, for example, now, if you like today, we had this talk where it's like if we got 8 million, we had that chat, I would live the rest of my life happy. I would be comfortable, sorted, and that's off 8 mil. But like these guys have that amount of money and they can still go bankrupt. Like you're just not using your brain to a point. They're in that lifestyle, they can't change it.
Yeah. I think also if you haven't really worked for money, Chad, if you haven't grafted, because that's easy money. That's why none of these guys are ever at a fucking desk. Sorry, Chad. Sorry. It just bothers me where they are going broke now that everybody, it's like a dog eat dog world now.
Yeah.
You're going broke because you're fucking lazy. You think you must earn money while you sit at a restaurant smoking a vape or whatever you're smoking, and you're sending stuff on your phone and whatever. No, bro. You should go broke. You should get a fucking job because you are actually just a worthless piece of shit. And it bothers me when people then think, oh, why am I going broke, this or that? You're going broke because you're not working, my brother. My brethren, you need to work. The Bible says it's biblical. The Afrikaans word is op die sweet van jou aangesig sal jy brood en botter verdien. Basically saying by your labor. If you go on labor, you can't eat. And yeah, let me not get into these brethren.
Yo guys, I'm waiting. Yeah, let me show you quickly. I would consider the sells actually now on gold if we get a close under this. If we get a close under, I'll think about it. But you got 20 seconds, not looking good.
For sales?
Yeah.
No, I'll still want to buy. Hey, now the Owens are beating one another with belts here.
Oh yeah.
Sheesh.
No close underneath, guys. I can't take that. So nothing for me.
What is going on here, Chad? It is absolutely a bad day to be an influencer. Kixie, check this. The man's taking belts. I don't know who smacked him, but somebody.
Whose is it on?
Ndamus. I don't even know. This is Ndamus.
Oh, you just saying it to me.
It's on Gloomies thing. Nah, bro. It is wild, Chad. It is absolutely a bad day to be scamming. And now Jason Noah did 200k from 15,000 rand with his own broker. Stop that stuff, Jason. Stop it, my bro. Alright, where's Keeks? Chad, okay. This changes things a little bit. 2340. Okay. Yeah, sorry for that little outburst, Chad. It's just these guys get on my nerves heavy. Okay. This thing is vibrating. Do labor can't eat. Thank you for sharing that passage. I scammed 5 months ago. Luckily got out of it. Nas still holding Asia. Okay. Interesting, Chad. Interesting. Bro, this thing is mad.
Hey, there's the souls.
Yeah, check it. This thing is mad. Will you take something like this or the impulse? Yeah.
That's nice. I would say.
Holy smokes, X6 competition.
Yeah, guys, I said that. There goes the gold souls.
Over to your screen, Keeks.
As you say, guys, there goes the gold souls, but I needed a close underneath. We didn't get that. So, yeah, even on the 5 minutes, we didn't get it on the 5 minutes. So, I couldn't, guys. I didn't have a thing to execute on that. Key sell was valid. I don't know what it was valid for you, brother, but that I can't enter that. Not on my entry criteria. The reason was the 100%, but entry criteria wasn't met. So, that is just part of it. For instance, how is it living in PE? How's life there? We love it here, Timothy. We won't move. But other than that, guys, I think everything's quite like flown and taken off. Chris, are you still waiting for anything, bro?
Gold.
Are you still waiting for gold?
Gold.
For what bars?
None of buys or sells. I just want to see. I remember it's 2340 level. Every day now, you would have seen around about this time that 200 EMA level becomes the level where we bounce from, either bounce or
Yeah.
reject. So I just want to see if I can get something similar to Thursday morning, then on Wednesday as well, when you guys, I think we caught that piece there. So every time when it consolidates around about that 200, the move happens. So again, we are now close to it. So let's see. I'm just going to wait for some type of retest here. And if we get a mini structure break, I'm going to go short. And then I'm done for the week. Then I've made my bank and I can go and rest. Something like that. What are you looking for? Shorts, eh?
Nah, for me, bro, the shorts are gone.
How do you mean gone?
Like, that was my entry now there. If we run, yeah, the thing is, you can still take it, yeah? I mean, it just won't be that initial perfect entry, if that makes sense.
Why don't you execute it?
Closed above. Didn't close under, even on the 5 minutes, closed.
Wait, where's your zone? Sorry, man. Quickly go on to... For me, it's
Yeah, so
clean,
if you see, yeah, where this was, so that was your 30-minute flip
Oh,
zone.
that weekly flip. Yeah,
Retest
let
over,
me just put that...
I couldn't get a close under, and even on the 5 minute afterwards, didn't get the close under, so I couldn't take it.
Let me just get that weekly level, yeah.
So, like I said, the trade was there. I just didn't get an entry criteria. That was the problem for me.
Chad, let's see if we can get one more year. I don't want to leave you guys with nothing for the weekend. There she blows.
As I said, the entry's gone now, because my thing is that thing can turn around like very aggressive on a pullback.
Amandums.
Because as I said to the guys now, like Gavin, I think asked me about it. Well, if this sell plays off, your target's all down to Asia lows.
Yo, there she goes.
I told you, bro, you're not going to get another entry.
We should have, but do you see what I mean by that 200 EMA?
Yeah.
Chad, did you guys see this? If Keys can go back there to my screen real quick. This is actually a valid break continuation trade. Only reason I didn't like it, not because the weekly S1 is there, but purely due to the fact that we have not yet closed below. In this session, we have not come down bearish, breaking that level and holding below it. So that is why I wouldn't have executed. This was the first time breaking below, a clean break below. So I wanted to see that retest. So there's the daily flip zone back to bearish. Holy smokes, Chad. Young plot twist, yeah.
Mo, you missed the trade, bro. Don't worry, we also missed it.
What is Mo?
He's like, can you trade with us now that he's done the pod?
Chris fed us this morning.
Yeah, guys, we had a banger trade this morning.
Let me just see. I don't wanna leave food on the table here for the lads. DXY breaking. See, there's that old Chad.
Maybe a retest of Asia range break and target Asia lows. Bevan, the Asia lows is coming up already in the Asia range. Asia lows is of like a few bit away, bro.
We're in the middle of the there's the daily flip zone. Holy. DXY, there's that level we talked about. Chad held it. US 30 jumbling. Moski, We're gonna finish up now. Yeah, no, we basically done. We're just checking some lost. Chad, here's a key. Oh, there's that dyslexia level again. 2332. That hustler mindset.
We took a gold bar this morning, Lilith. Gold bar. Chris, the gold bars were from 2330, 2337.
It was from 2345 to 23. We literally were entered here somewhere, and we got out there literally with that little vibration.
That wick, is what got
and
you
then we
out.
were in and out. Coop. Keeks might not manage it with the chat, but if we do a little support candle here, and we break, I might go short, and I will just tell the chat how to manage it. If we get a support candle here, there's that 2332. Remember we talked about this level on the daily. There's that key level.
Oh wow, that's a nice quick trade. Yeah, it was a nice in and out. Install 2040, must I stay install? I don't know what okay. We still yeah, no, we sent TWS to the metaverse. Gold. I don't know if you entered 2340, 2330 for me is Asia low is definitely a target, but a nice round number. 2330 is a nice one. Otherwise, if you want that little bit more, aim for Asia lows, daily pivot. So you can say 2327.5.
Mandums. Keeks, do you think I'm a DJ?
What's that for?
This 2332, the next 5-minute closes, something like this.
It's up to you, bro.
And then taking a young break on it.
That's for you, bro. As I said, I'm not. My entry's gone. I'm not entering where if I can't get my entry where I wanted. I had a great trade yesterday. I'm not screwing up my weekend.
Chad, let's just see what happened here previously. Chad, what do you guys rate? What do you rate? Get that powder wet, or do we call it? We're now even on the 1 minute, yeah. Boys want to get that powder wet, Chad. Damn. This would have been a banger. Daily flip zone. Susa Beliza. Nah. Gigs, what are you doing? Are you calling it?
I'm done, bro. It's Friday. I'm not gonna do anything stupid now.
Yo. 2332. Here's the thing, chat. Just quickly look at this. Thing is, the 80 is still bullish though, bro. That's the weird thing. And this is that key level.
Those reversal Fridays, bro.
I know, but I mean, this is a big level. But yeah, it's Friday, bro. I'm not gonna.
Like, my thing is just mentally, bro. I'm not saying don't take it. You had a banger trade the day.
Yeah.
You can go to the weekend and have a lacquer weekend. Like, let's just say you lose now. You give it back to the markets.
And it's a terrible
It's like,
weekend.
why?
But here's the thing. What if we double up? One
You
of
sounded
us.
like that
One
DJ.
of us. One of us. No, I'm kidding. Chad, I would have loved something here. I would have loved if we could have gotten something here, Chad. Nice little retest there. Little break. Beautiful. Something like that would have been gold. Chasing it. I would be chasing it, yeah. I'm just kidding.
We both know we both wanted an entry higher up. We didn't get it.
Chad, unfortunate recurrence of events here. We are, I think it was a W week, W day analysis played out. I think I'm chasing that dopamine from this morning. Gigs, what? So I guess you're done. You're done.
I'm done, bro. I'm done.
All right, Chad. Chad. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, this was the setup for me. In all honesty, I was looking for potential buys here. If we could have gotten above that 20, 30, 45, there's those multiple rejections. And then don't remember. Like I was just talking about this 200 level. You can see every time around about this time, the volume breaks out from that level. You guys caught it yesterday. Yeah, you guys caught this, Geeks.
Yeah.
Or no, what? You caught this. No, yeah.
Yeah. No, we recorded from
Yeah.
the middle of that and all the way up.
You guys caught
All
it
the way
there.
up
I
to
was
that
I
top
was
one.
waiting for that.
No, we're all the way up still.
No.
Yeah.
My entry. I was waiting. Yeah, you guys caught it
we
here
caught
already.
from there already, and then all the way up. Yeah.
Chad, it is what it is. Unfortunately, it is.
Wow, boys is trying to convince himself here still.
Yeah, I just want to. Yeah. Chad. Let's call it 7% in a week is good. Chad, let me love and leave y'all. Yeah, Chad. Gigs, thanks so much, man. It has been a tremendous week.
Another banger week. And I must just say, yeah, big ups to my boy. Actually pulling through basically the double shift this week as well. So awesome having him here with us. Keegs pull the power cord out of his PC. Yeah, guys. But I think it was a good one. We put a shift in this week and we got the results. But we're going to come back Monday, have a lacquer weekend, have enjoyed, be safe, stay safe, spend time with your loved ones. If you did not take the trades with us, maybe go watch some of the old ones, go back test, learn from those mistakes. But other than that, guys, make sure to check out on Sunday night, we are dropping the Jean Lee podcast, so check that one out. Then over to there might be a 50-50. The discount code ends tonight, guys. So again, make the most of it. Links down below. We've dropped it in the chat. The discount code TFT down for 45% off. Chris, any closing remarks?
Chad, what a week. I think keep it safe over the weekend. Go and refresh and renew. If you get some time, review your trades. Don't get stuck on the week, but review it. Get some rest. Don't be that guy working on the weekend like usual, just looking at charts. It's unproductive. You're not working. You're procrastinating. Come back on Monday. I felt we've really kept the energy high the entire week. And we will see you guys on Monday. Hopefully Jeff is back. Jeff said he's ready to rumble on Monday. And then the coupon code TFT down 45% off, Chad. Coin flip 9 o'clock tonight to see whether we're going to extend that. I don't think...
able, just use Ozal. That's the easiest option.
And then I don't think we're going to do such a big one in a while. So get stuck in with that one. We've got some other stuff in the woodworks for you. A big project loading as well. Little twist, Keeks. I'm thinking maybe what we talked about this morning to maybe do that earlier.
Yeah, we
or
can.
this afternoon, that event.
Yeah.
All right. Peace and love, Chad. Have a
Peace and love,
great
guys.
weekend.
We'll see you on the flip side. Cheers, cheers.